Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make some beautiful wooden door hanging decor signs. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give this a thumbs up, and now let's go. Starting with the first project, you want to pick up one of these wooden round signs. These, you find them at Dollar Tree where the woodcraft section is at. This sign is going to say hello pumpkin, so I'm using a stencil. Now this one right here is from last year. I got it at the Dollar Tree. Hopefully this year Dollar Tree carries these or similar ones to these, but if you can't find them, you can always go to Hobby Lobby. Right now their stuff is 40% off, and I'm pretty sure you'll find one that is not that expensive. I had used this paintbrush with black paint, so it still had some black paint, and what I did is I mixed it a little bit with brown. It turned it into like a dark brown. As you can see, this stencil bled through, but with a tiny brush I fixed it, and look how beautiful it turned out. To decorate my sign, I'm using this Hobby Lobby scrapbooking paper, which I'm going to trace and cut, and I'm only doing like one side of this. Using some Mod Podge, I am going to glue it. After adding the scrapbooking paper, I felt like it still needed something else, so I am going to add one of these wooden pumpkins. Now this one right here, I got it from Hobby Lobby, but Dollar Tree carry ones similar to these. Now I did paint this orange with some white detailing, but I kind of wanted this to match to the scrapbooking paper, so I did add some darker orange. Using some hot glue, I am going to glue this underneath the pumpkin. Now to finish decorating this, I am going to add a bow at the corner, but first I am going to add the string I removed at the beginning. I'm going to add it back on. I'm using some Dollar Tree ribbon in orange and a burlap one, so I am making a double bow, but these are going to be stacked. And that is it for this beautiful hello pumpkin. The next door sign, it is going to say welcome, and for this I'm not using scrapbooking paper. For this I am going to use the Dollar Tree fabric. Look how beautiful this one is. I recently found one, though I decided to use this. Now instead of adding some fabric on the side like I did to the other one, I am going to add it to the bottom of the sign. So I'm going to just trace the wooden circle, cut it, and glue it. I am using Mod Podge to glue the fabric. To speed the process of drying, I did use my blow dryer. For this sign, I am using a Hobby Lobby stencil. Now I got this during spring, but I'm pretty sure Hobby Lobby carries similar ones to this right now. So I'm using the burnt umber color to just stipple this with a regular paintbrush, Now this stencil is like so much better than the one from Dollar Tree. This one didn't bleed as much as the one from the Dollar Tree. And so far this is how it looks. Now I'm going to add this piece of bamboo stick in between like the fabric and the wood right here. This is just to cover the unevenness of the cutting of this fabric. I'm going to cut the bamboo stick to size and then paint it using the same brown. Once this is dry, I'm going to use some hot glue to glue this. Now, I do recommend you to use wood glue instead. To finish this off, I am going to add some sunflowers to the corner. I made this bow using this brown ribbon. I wasn't sure where to add it, to either here or to the string, and I decided to just add it to the string instead. But this is how this beautiful welcome sign turned out. My next sign is going to be a Halloween one, which it is going to say, "Hey Boo." The next thing I will be doing is painting this with some black paint. Now I had forgotten that I wanted it to do like a white stripe in the center, so I did have to go back and paint one. For this sign, I decided to handwrite this myself, and I am so sorry that you can't really see it. Kinda is blurry, but I do put "Hey Boo." Then I went ahead and went over this with a tiny brush and some black paint. And this is how it turned out. Didn't turn out that bad. This boo sign is going to have little ghosts and spiders. So at the top part, I did draw a spider web. I then used a tiny brush and white paint to go over the lines. For the ghost, I'm using a pack that I got from the Dollar Tree. I am going to paint 4 of these. So before I glue down the ghost, I am going to cut 2 pieces of bamboo sticks so I can add them where the white and black meet. As you can see, my lines weren't straight. That is because I didn't use a painter's tape, which I couldn't find. That's why my lines are all uneven. But I did paint these bamboo sticks orange. I'm going to add the first ghost, and it's going to be right here at the white stripe. Now I did feel like this blended in a lot, so I traced the eyes and painted them black. So when I put the ghost, you are going to see like the little black eyes and mouth. I also added some black paint around the ghost so it didn't blend out a lot. So now I'm going to add all 3 ghosts at the bottom. And for the middle ghost, I did make like a little white circle. So then when I added the ghost, it like, you can't really see like the little hole it has at the top. Now for the other ghost, I didn't do that because I am going to add a small little tiny orange bow. I had these ring spiders, which I felt like these were perfect for this sign. I added one on the exclamation mark, and then I added one next to the ghost at the top. Using the same ribbon that I use for the bows, I am making the hanger out of this. But that is it. Look how beautiful this Hey Boo door sign turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.